First ball goes to Kairos. Speed move by number 16. There's a whistle. 14 shot left. Number 16 on the 3, no good. Rebounds are left 4. Number 12, 14 shot left. 97, short. All two. 24. Zarate. 2 points. 97. Number 16. 40 shot clock, Avalos. And the shoot. 3 seconds. And this ball. And the shoot. 5 to shoot. Then you shoot. 3 seconds. Steal by Eric. To 80. 80. 80. Steal by Gary Zarate. Number 10, Kuka. Good point, number 10. Gary. No good. Rebound number 5. Nice block by number 10. Gary Kuka. Trouble. Gary Zarate. Ay naman ang Elas mo. Gary, nice defense, nice block by number 10. Pointing to shoot. 10 to shoot. May tumbol. Rebound Zarate for the shot clock. Nice defense. 14 shot clock. Steal by number 2. Understood by 80. 14 to shoot. 14 shot clock. Was a foul. Foul number 10. Gary, short. Rebound number 2. Si Garcia. Basket count. First personal, second team fouls. Bonus free throw by Garcia. Rebound sa Kate. 2-0-4, Kate sa Kate. And reserve time ng time. Knock, keep with us now. Shot clock. 80 speed move. No good. Rebound number 3. Villanueva. To number 8. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Good. 10-9.